how to turn off Netflix notifications on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can turn off notifications for the Netflix app on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to turn off notifications for the Netflix application, all you have to do is open up settings and then just go to notifications. Once you go to notifications, just make sure to look for the application known as Netflix over here. And if you do find them over here, you should be able to find Netflix and then just turn off the toggle right next to Netflix like this. Now, in case you don't find it here as well, what you can do is go to Siri and you'll find Siri suggestions and tap on it. Once you go there, you want to simply look and go to the end section here. Under end section, you'll find Netflix. Turn off the toggle next to Netflix and the notifications will get successfully turned off. This way you can turn off notifications on Netflix. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.